Looking to boost your engine's performance in 2025? In this video, we review the top 3 best spark plugs that offer exceptional ignition, improved fuel efficiency, and long-lasting reliability. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a car expert, these spark plugs are perfect for enhancing your vehicle's power and mileage. Stay tuned to find the perfect match for your ride and make your engine run smoother than ever. Number 3. The A Premium Iridium Platinum spark plugs offer exceptional value and reliable performance for a wide range of vehicles, including popular models from Honda, Hyundai, Kia, and Acura. This pack of 4 is engineered with iridium tips and platinum cores, ensuring long-lasting durability and consistent ignition. Designed with a 0.044-inch gap and a 12mm thread size, these plugs are a precise fit for many modern engines. Users report noticeable improvements in engine response and smoothness after installation. One Hyundai Sonata owner noted that a persistent knocking noise during acceleration completely disappeared, along with a slight boost in power and throttle responsiveness. These spark plugs are ideal replacements when approaching the 80,000 to 100,000 mile maintenance mark. Even if the engine seems to run fine, proactive replacement helps maintain efficiency and prevent hidden performance issues. The affordability is another big plus. Compared to local auto parts store pricing, buying these on Amazon offers substantial savings without sacrificing quality. The fitment list is extensive, covering a wide array of L4 engines across several model years, making this set a smart, budget-friendly option for DIY maintenance or professional installs. If you're looking to restore engine performance, improve fuel efficiency, and extend your vehicle's life, these premium spark plugs deliver excellent results with top-tier materials at a competitive price. Number 2. The NGK LKR7DX 11S Iridium 9 spark plugs are a premium choice for performance enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. This 4-pack of Iridium 9 plugs is engineered for extreme ignitability and long-term durability, thanks to NGK's signature 0.6mm laser-welded iridium tip. The tapered ground electrode design ensures a more efficient spark with reduced electrical quenching, making for smoother combustion and improved throttle response. Users consistently report smoother engine operation and improved fuel economy after installation. One reviewer noted a modest increase of 1 mpg and a slight improvement in idle smoothness, even at over 100,000 miles, exactly when the maintenance schedule recommends plug replacement. Another user, working on a 2016 Kia Optima 2.4L, praised NGK's OEM spec fit and pre-gap 0.044-inch measurement, saying the car ran significantly smoother post-install. Additional features include trivalent metal plating for corrosion resistance and a triple gasket seal to eliminate combustion gas leakage. The extended insulator and corrugated ribs help prevent flashover, which adds to the plug's overall durability in high performance or high heat conditions. For anyone maintaining or restoring engine performance, especially in modern 4-cylinder engines, the NGK Iridium 9 plugs offer an unbeatable mix of reliability, longevity, and value. Trusted by professionals and DIYers alike, NGK remains a gold standard in spark plug technology. Number 1. The ACDelco 41 to 962 professional platinum spark plugs are a reliable, high-performance choice for GM vehicles and many other applications. Designed with longevity and efficiency in mind, these plugs feature a double platinum point pad on both the center and ground electrodes, ensuring consistent voltage and extended durability. With pure copper cores, they run cooler and are more resistant to fouling, ideal for long service intervals and reliable cold starts. One of the standout features is the one-piece fired-in suppressor seal, which helps reduce radio frequency interference while protecting against high compression pressure. This design enhances the overall performance of your ignition system and contributes to smoother engine operation. User reviews highlight excellent durability, with some reporting over 100,000 miles of use before replacement. Another user praised their perfect OEM fit for GM vehicles and noted a marked improvement in engine smoothness after installation. While the plugs may require manual gap adjustment, it's a minor step considering the value and performance offered. Whether you're replacing worn-out plugs or performing routine maintenance, the ACDelco 41 to 962s deliver professional-grade quality at an affordable price. Their proven longevity, ease of installation, and OEM compatibility make them a top choice for both DIY mechanics and professional technicians alike. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 best spark plugs in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest auto gear reviews. Got a favorite spark plug or questions about engine performance? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Drive safe and see you in the next video.